and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Joyce and for a returning subscriber, karibu sana. So welcome to yet another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin soup. I have pumpkin here with me. I have 2 red onions, I have ginger, and I have 3 garlic cloves. So I have 3 garlic cloves. Over here I have Royco cube. We're just going to use 1. I have salt to taste. I have black pepper. I have paprika. And I have cooking oil. If you have cinnamon, you can use cinnamon. So let's start preparing our soup light. So on our sufuria, I have chopped my onion and I'm going to add cooking oil. I also light my gas. And then we wait for our onions to get ready. Our onions turn golden brown. So just going to let it remain this color. So I have grated my ginger and garlic. So I'm going to pour them in. Then we are going to add in our Royco cube. And then we are going to add salt to taste, our black pepper, then our paprika. The flavor, you guys, the flavor, oh my god. We are going to pour in our pumpkin. Oh god. So I'm going to cover this for 1 minute. Is it 1 minute? No, 30 seconds. And at this point, my favorite point. Kama Mkikuyu, as the Kikuyu I am, it's the Gezu food. So we're adding water. Pumpkin doesn't take long to cook, so this is going to be very fast. So we cover this and let it come to a boiling point. I forgot to mention earlier, we are going to need a blender. This is a blender jug and a bowl where we'll be putting our soup, and then we're going to use milk. This is boiled milk. So when the pumpkin are ready, we're going to put them here and then we are going to blend. So our pumpkin are ready, they are cooked. And you can see how it's really well cooked. So the next step, we are going to pour our mixture in our blender jug. Then we are going to blend this. So this is how it looks like, and the next step is boiling in our milk. This is how our soup looks like. And we pour it in our bowl. So the next step, I'm going to serve our soup. I don't like it thick. This is how I love my soup. Yeah, so this is mom's dinner. I'm just going to give it to her and tell us how it tastes. So guys, the moment of truth is finally here. Hi mom.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
So I have made you something. That is pumpkin soup.
It looks delicious.
Thank you.
It's yummy.
So I want you to taste
Okay.
and tell me how it is.
Let me taste. Wow. Really yummy. I can feel ginger, garlic. Wow. Is there paprika?
Yeah, there is paprika.
Is there black pepper?
Yeah, black pepper is there.
Yeah. It's very delicious, very yummy. I love it.
Thank you.
Oh, today I'm taking this for dinner because I had late lunch.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much for this.
You're welcome.
And